In this lesson, we'll learn a new kīwaha or idiom, ka Mau Te Wehi. I love this kīwaha because it has layers to it. Ka Mau Te Wehi means that's awesome, but it's a little bit deeper than that. Wehi talks about how something made you feel. Wehi is like the goosebumps you get when someone performs a haka. In your real journey, you may hear these three words together: ihi, wehi, and wana. Let me explain it to you in the context of kapahaka, or Māori performing arts. Ihi is what the performer exudes when they're performing the haka. Wehi is what the spectator feels from the ihi. And if those two things are achieved, it's called wana. You'll often hear people say, I wana te tū, the performance achieved wana. Or ka Mau Te Wehi, I felt the wehi. Here's another kīwaha you can use next time someone gives you goosebumps. Ka Mau Te Wehi. Awesome!